Good morning, and welcome to this 5-minute meditation to start your day with clarity and positivity. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, or keep them open with a soft gaze. Take a few moments to settle in. As you start your day, center yourself and connect with a sense of peace. Now, take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment. Then, slowly breathe out, letting go of any tension or stress from the night before. You are preparing your mind and body for the beautiful day ahead. Now, as you continue to breathe, bring to mind an intention for today. Perhaps it's to approach the day with gratitude, focus, or patience. Imagine yourself moving through your day with ease and confidence, feeling calm, clear, and prepared for whatever comes your way. Know that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way today with grace and calm. As we close this meditation, take one more deep breath in and out. Carry the peace, positivity, and intention with you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels good to do so, gently open your eyes. step into your day feeling refreshed and open to the good things that the day has to offer. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.